Hey, what's happening with it?
Hello, Pegasus Lifestyle Management. How can I help you? Thank you, sir. Your spectacular aircraft is now ready for you at our nearest airfield.
Yo, what? You need some help? I can pull up and help you. Alright, I'm gonna pull up with a chit. What is your name so I don't kill you? What is your name? Let me know so I don't kill you.
Hey!
Huh? Where's the targets, man? Where's the target, man? Tony, man. Tony, I see you. Alright, I'm in the area. Got him. 152, you got the top. You got him spawning in. I'm going for it, I'm going for it, I'm doing so. out, there's somebody come out with the scene. See that? Oh, that's my friend. How the fuck? What you playing me, brother? Let's see. There's Didi Ask. 34. That's my friend. Oh, who kill you? Petey. Yo, that's my friend. What the fuck? What's going on with you? That's my friend. I'm gonna kill him, though. So you know that I'm trying to defend you. Yeah, I'm gonna try to kill him. It's right next to you. Join my MC, bro. So I can kill you. Chill, nigga. Don't kill him now. That's my friend. I just killed my friend, so you better know. My friend is tripping. Oh shit, I'm about to fall. Did you join my shit? I think I signed it. Come on, bro, where are you? Oh, you destroy his car, that's why I kill you, bro. Alright, you cool, you cool. Yeah, you with us. I'm the president. Just kill yourself, you spawn with us. Oh, you know it, you're level 300 something. My bad.
Morse Mutual, we're here to help. Okay, have a nice day.
Sleeping Devil, do you know I'm the president? I
Hello,
can kill you anytime.
this is Morse Mutual Insurance. I think we can handle that.
Sleeping Devil. Child, somebody go coast.
MMI, we
Somebody's
expect
on
the
coast,
unexpected.
bro. I ain't trip. I ain't dying on a pussy mount now.
I think we can do that. I'm sorry I couldn't
Bring
help.
my pressure in. I hear a oppressor on top of us. Alright, I'm scanning the air. Fuck it, I'm gonna go bring another jet. I'm bringing another jet, guys.
Hello, you're through to Pegasus Lifestyle
That's what
Management.
I'm
How can I
saying,
help?
watch out. Somebody's off radar.
Great. The aircraft is waiting for you at our nearest airfield. We trust you'll be happy, sir.
Defend it. I'll be right back. Hey. Let's just guy try to follow me or something? My friend even have a cheat too. I heard those guys fighting at the beach really bad. Come on, bro. Kill him. There you go. Coming in, shit. I don't know, I'm coming in. It's off radar now. It's about to be pulled out. It's right there, right next to the area. Oh shit. How the fuck I kill low key? How the fuck I kill him? I was shooting when he was when I got shot on the back. Somebody shot me on the back of my shit. I got a lot of appraiser, bro. Got 32 MK2, bro. Never ran out. I got an MK1 too. Never ran out. Still flying, scanning the area, my guy. I don't know, I'm in the MK1 running around in the sky. I cannot scan nothing. Right there, on the corner. Ooh. Oh, who the fuck? How the fuck he kill you too? Fuck, I just killed him. It's all good. When you're doing a motorcycle club, it's free when you call the insurance. Low key, what's up? I got another friend in the building. Shundo good? Hey, you good? Yo, do not shoot at the crane. Park it. It's my friend. Yeah, he's on a chit right now. Oh no, never mind. He tried to kill us, bro. Fuck him then. He's my friend, but he shoot at us. Kill him, bro. He's on a chit. Yo, I got him. Oh, I just killed him. That's why. He's the guy who called radar and tried to kill us. Wow. There's a guy using a damn appraiser off radar. Right there, sleeping there. It's Tony. Tony's off radar, trying to kill us. Pussy ass. This guy. Go again, bro. Come on, don't tell me that you got him. This motherfucker crashed. He crashed. He's about to get smashed. Hey, come here, fella. Yes, this part is doing me and I'm about to do it. Hey, that's you, Loki? What up, Mickey? We got time for that stupid ass. Nobody gonna die, nigga. Look, get this pen. It's not a president anymore. Motherfucker, you go with him. He's a CEO. He's gonna use Pool Shark. So it's gonna make him stronger and faster. Weakest. Tyler, bitch. That's my friend, but I gotta smack him. I gotta let him know I'm the president in this place. My bad, you gotta go, my brother, you gotta go. Yo, they're on the left side. What of them? One is on the car. Crash. Stupid ass driver. Die, little bitch. Watch out, that guy using Bull Shark, he's gonna get one shot. I just said. Stop playing with me. You guys take care of that one, I take care of the president and the other guy. There's another guy, go close. It's Tony, watch out guys. Take you guys. Tony's here. Rough bitch, you're going off great hard. What the fuck? I'm waiting for you, Loki. Where are you? Oh, he just killed you. Oh, he's right here. In the left corner. Coming in, he's coming in. Right there, left side. No, I just killed him, bro. Yeah, he's on close though. Hey, behind. Left side on the back. Hey, yo, bro. After they get out of coast, we're gonna get smacked. Get out of here. After they get out of coast, I said already, they're gonna get smacked. There they are. Come on, guys. There they are. Smack the fuck out of them. They're gonna run. Promise you, they're gonna run, bro. One down. I killed one. I'm about to kill the president right now. Yep. Yep, I got him. Got their president. Just like that, boy. What's up, man? What's up? Yeah. Loki, that's you? We're fighting, bro. How the fuck we gonna meet up? We're defending. Yeah, hold up. We're fighting. We're getting the stuck right now, bro. Can I charge Josh? Come. Change coping bumper. We're gonna win this whenever I'm here scared. Chandelier. Get up. Oh, look. Got it, no matter what. You got it. You hear what I say? Alright, everybody come to my apartment and celebrate. Oh my god. Yeah, we can do that. Where's everybody? Where you guys at? Alright, I'm gonna invite you guys to my stuff. Where the fuck am I? What the fuck? How the fuck I'm in this submarine, bro? Alright, I'm gonna invite you guys. What are you doing?
Hey, you guys stop being hard.
What are you talking about? Stop trying to bring sexist to the conversation. What?
Stop being dirty-minded.
Where are you guys at? Invite everybody to my apartment already. Yo, where are you guys at? Do you guys on my...
G'day.
Join my invitation. Join my invitation. I'm gonna call Nikki up.
You want another one?
Alright. Wait, I'm inviting my... Feel free. Alright, Nikki's here, everybody. Nikki's here, everybody. She's here, everybody.
No, she's the host.
Get off me. Why she kick me? Me? Oh.
Hey, talk to Nikki, bro.
Hey, baby. You looking for a dance?
Whoa, 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 Sam. Hey, you're not in the...
Alright, somebody come.
What, what's wrong?
Alright, do you want...
Have you had enough? Or do you want more? You sure? Let me know if you change your mind.
Alright, come over if you want Nikki, bro.
You want to dance, sugar? You want another one? If you change your mind, I'll be right here. I could dance for you if you want, honey.
Alright, let's start another stand your ground.
Have you had enough? Or do you want more? Don't wait too long.
You guys can enjoy Nikki, I'm gone. Anybody want to race at the airport? Yo, anybody want to race at the airport, bro? Yo, race. Race. Yeah, pull up, bro. Pull up. On bike, on bike though. On bike, not cars. Alright, let's go then. I'm on my way over there right now. On bike, you're gonna smoke. Everybody go passive then. Everybody go passive, so there's no interruption on the racing. When you go to the airport and you're not on passive, you're gonna die. Go to the airport with passive mode. Alright, thank you, man. Alright, come on, bro. Don't about way past her. I'm about to be there. Oh! Crash.
What?
Fuck, I crashed. I'm taking my shortcuts. Hey, Charlie. I'm about to be there in like 1 minute. Where you guys at? Not even a minute. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. But all those say I'm gonna be there before me. Alright, I'm there. I'm in the freaking airport. Nobody's close to the airport now. Oh! Fun, George. We're at the airport trying to come passive though, guys. Go passive or you're gonna get killed. Alright, watch. Loki's gonna bull up with his chick and kill you guys. Watch. Cause we just beat him earlier on a stand your ground and you don't like it. It's... Oh my god. No, we win that shit, bro. I say that he got smoke on it. So he's the one who's gonna get mad. You're on GTA, brother. I'm sorry, bro. What do you mean? Alright, I'm gonna shoot the flare. They killed me. Oh my god. Yo, bring him over here. Bring him over here to me, bro. Bring him over here. That's alright. I'm gonna go on beast smoke now. Fuck no, you're the one to start this shit up, nigga. Fuck you. No kill, you better chill out, nigga. You suck. Look, you suck, nigga. Oh, this guy. This guy's shooting at me. stupid, you're close to me. You're gonna kill me. Oh my god. Alright, Howard. You need to die. Sit the fuck down. Cover me, cover me! Yo, Skiski is on the left. Cover me, dude. Oh my god, you got me fucked up, bro. No, I tell you to shoot at him so you don't. Yeah, let's fuck him up then. Fuck him. Howard is here. Oh, that's him. I'm right here. Oh my god. Fucking serious? Where are you going with that shit? That stupid plan, bro. Who's that? Hey, you guys come in.
Hello, this is Pegasus Lifestyle Management. How can I help? Your beautiful new aircraft is waiting at our nearest airfield. We hope you're very happy, sir.
He left. He left. Oh shit, my bad. Yo, let me kill him, bro. Why you shoot at me, bro? Hey, Sala. Hey, my dad, my room. I think I should be back on my room. Million burger. Loki, you good at that, bro. What the fuck? This guy just circle and shoot. Where you jumping, bro?
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know. Aight, I'll get back to work.
What?
Come on, really? Asshole!
No fucking way.
You always do that. Throw him out, bro. Motherfucker say, don't shoot at me, don't shoot at me, and then shoot at somebody, bro. Man, you bullshit already, bro. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh my god, bro. You're the one who even killed me and bring the war in the first place, bro. So what? You gotta kill.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them round.
Sure, I'll wear whatever you want. Those pumps again? Okay, yeah. Those two. Get there from anywhere else. Well, you know how lame the traffic is, but maybe I can take the back street. An echo line on Asphalt Ave.
I'll get there as soon as I can. I'll get back to it then.
Hello, hello, hello. Look, he's talking when I'm talking. Why? What's up, man? Oh, shoot. Toros, let's go, baby. No one can race me. Song is built different. Shit. Huh?
Get up. No, the one on the bottom. Blue out. Blue out.
Hey, man.
Go to the clubhouse. There you go. Nightclub. Yeah, right there.
You cannot be serious.
Look how fast it's going. Hey, you have other cars that's way faster. Relax. That is fast though. Just let me know that I'm a good driver. Oh, stay in the car. Which garage?
Sam, you're rich, aren't you? You're like, you're not poor.
Watch this. Look this one. Look at this one.
Yeah, you can go to my nightclub. There's a lot of $1 million.
Oh,
that was
shit.
Go to the stairs. What is your fastest spot? It's her up. It's her up. It's her up. I think he's over there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, right there. The golden one is the fastest car in the building. 2 million. 2 million.
I'm taking it with me. So easy to move. It's so like you only press a little then. Oh shit. He said that's fucking expensive. You gotta bet that I crashed his car. So let's see how fast you can go. I bet you can drive it, Molly. Yeah. Sorry. It's not easy as it looks. Okay, watch this. Fuck crashed and shit.
You wanna take turns?
Oh, you guys' heads are huge. Wait, it has no sound? Huh? Yeah. How do you drift? Oh, something. Nah, man, you guys have huge heads.
See, the one's too fast. The Wi-Fi can't even catch up movement.